Hello students, let us continue our discussion on quadratic equations. Next method of solving quadratic equation by completing square. Method of solving quadratic equation by completing square or making perfect square. How to solve given quadratic equation by completing square? I will take one problem. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Solve the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by completing square. Means making perfect square. Make this quadratic expression in terms of a perfect square. How to do this given quadratic equation as a completing square, a complete square? For this we have one method to complete square. For making completing square, first make the coefficient of x square as plus 1. In the first step, make the coefficient of x square as 1 while making complete square. First make the coefficient of x square as 1. First step, make the coefficient of x square as plus 1. And second step, first step make the coefficient of x square as 1. After that, in the second step, half of the coefficient of x square add and subtract to make a perfect square. In the first step, by completing square, not by factorization. Factorization is one of the method to solve a quadratic equation. In this method, in this problem, we will learn how to solve given quadratic equation by completing square, not by factorization. It is one of the methods. By completing square, first make the coefficient of x square as 1. So just dividing with coefficient of x square. While completing square, by solving given quadratic equation by completing square, just dividing each term by coefficient of x square. First make the coefficient of x square as 1. Then it becomes x square minus 7 divided by 2 into x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Now also it is not a perfect square. Means we can't write this as a plus b whole square form, because it is not a perfect square. If it is like a square plus b square minus 2ab, then directly we can write a minus b whole square. Right now it is not a perfect square. In the first step, make the coefficient of x square. Make the coefficient of x square as 1 if it is not. If coefficient of x square is 1, then well and good. If it is not, then make it 1. In the second step, x square minus 7 divided by 2 into x. After the second, first write first two terms as it is. What we do? Half of the coefficient of x square add and subtract. In this case, tell me what is coefficient of x? Minus 7 divided by 2 is coefficient of x. Take its half, means just multiply it to 1 by 2. For coefficient of x, just multiply 1 by 2, because we need half of the coefficient of x. Half of the coefficient of x means just multiply 1 by 2 for coefficient of x. Take its square. Half of the coefficient of x square add and subtract. It will be equal to minus 7 divided by 4. Minus 7 divided by 4 whole square minus 7 divided by 4 whole square. See, it is just adjustment term to make a perfect square. Plus 3 divided by 2 remains as it is, that's equal to 0. This is just adjustment term. First step, make the coefficient of x square as 1. In the second step, take half of the coefficient of x square add and subtract. After that, look at first three terms. Clearly it is expansion of, it is like a square minus 2ab plus b square form. means it is expansion of a minus b whole square, and simplify these two terms. After adding half of the coefficient of x, square, add and subtract, then clearly first three terms is a perfect square. First three terms becomes a perfect square. It is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next remaining terms, minus 49 divided by 16 plus 3 divided by 2, that's equal to 0. X minus 7 divided by 4 whole square, that's equal to, set these two terms into RHS, plus 49 divided by 16 minus 3 divided by 2. Now, taking LCM. What is LCM? 16 is the LCM. 49 minus. What is LCM? 16 means multiply 8. That is 24. Whole thing divided by 16. After that, then it will be x minus 7 divided by 4 whole square is equal to 25 divided by 16. Why? Because by completing square means 49 minus 24, clearly 25 divided by 16 as it is. After that we need x minus 7 divided by 4 is equal to, here it is like x square is equal to some value, means x equal to plus or minus square root of 25 divided by 16. That's equal to x minus 7 is equal to plus or minus 5 divided by 4. Then x equal to plus 5 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 4, it is one of the possibility. Or consider negative side, x equal to minus 5 divided by 4, send it to RHS, in both the cases it is plus 7 divided by 4 only. Because send minus 7 by 4 into RHS, then it will be plus. Now, x equal to 12 by 4 or x equal to minus 5 means 2 divided by 4. Therefore, x equal to 3 or x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, required roots are 3 and 1 by 2. Once again, I will explain how to solve the given quadratic equation by completing square. First step, make the coefficient of x square as 1. In the second step, after making coefficient of x square as 1, after that half of the coefficient of x, take half of the coefficient of x, whatever is there. In this case, coefficient of x is minus 7 divided by 2, take its half means minus 7 divided by 4. Just multiply 1 by 2 for coefficient of x. And square, add and subtract. Square, take its square, add and subtract. Then just rearrangement and simplification. This is one of the methods to solve the given quadratic equation. Next problem. 2x square, it is not always 2. This problem also 2. So 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Solve the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0 by completing square method. By completing square. Solve this quadratic equation by completing square. Same procedure. In the first step, make the coefficient of x square as 1. So just dividing with 2. Then it becomes x square plus x by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Just dividing each term by 2. then we get x square plus x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. After that, in the second step, take the half of the coefficient of x. In this case, what is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Just multiply again 1 by 2. Take its half means 1 divided by 4. Half of the coefficient of x square and subtract. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Its half is 1 by 4. So I will write x square plus x by 2. 1 divided by 4 whole square minus 1 divided by 4 whole square. Minus 2 remains as it is equal to 0. It is just adjustment term. Now, I will write one more step. X by 2 plus 1 divided by 16 minus 1 divided by 16 minus 2, that's equal to 0. Look at these three terms. Clearly it is a perfect square. It is like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means it is a plus b whole square. Clearly it is a complete square. It is like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is a plus b whole square. In this case a value x, b value 1. Minus 1 divided by 16 minus 2, that's equal to 0. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, remaining two terms send it to RHS, then it will be 1 divided by 16 plus 2. Then x plus 1 divided by 4 whole square is equal to, taking LCM, that is 33 divided by 16. 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 16. It is like x square equal to some constant, but we need x value. Then x equal to, then x plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to, remaining term send it to RHS. Sorry, it is like x square equal to some value, then x equal to plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 16. Then x plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to plus or minus 33 square root of 33 divided by 4. We need x value, so x equal to plus square root of 33 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4, or one more value, that is x equal to square root of 33 divided by 4, so it is minus square root of 33 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to square root of 33 minus 1 divided by 4, or x equal to minus 33 minus 1 divided by 4. These two are roots of given quadratic equation by the method of completing square. Required roots are square root of 33 minus 1 divided by 4 and minus square root of 33 minus 1 divided by 4. These two are roots of given quadratic equation by the method of completing square. Next problem. Solve the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 by completing square method. Solve this quadratic equation by the method of completing square. In this case, coefficient of x square is already 1. If coefficient of x square is not 1, then make it 1. If it is 1, then no problem. In this case, coefficient of x square is already 1. After that, x square minus 5x. Take half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 5. Take its half means just multiply 1 by 2 means minus 5 by 2. Square add and subtract. Plus of minus 5 by 2 whole square minus of minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6. Then x square minus 5x plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4 plus 6, that's equal to 0. It is method of solving quadratic equation by completing square. Now look at first three terms. Clearly it is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. Means it is expansion of a minus b. Means x minus 5 by 2 whole square expansion. It is expansion of x minus 5 by 2 whole square. It is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then minus 25 are remaining terms sent into RHS. Then 25 divided by 4 minus 6. X minus 5 by 2 whole square. That's equal to, taking LCM, 25 minus 24 because LCM is 4. Whole thing divided by 4. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 4. Then x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus by root of 1 by 2. So x minus 5 by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Then there are two possibilities. Then x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 plus send it to RHS means minus 5 by 2 becomes plus 5 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, it is one of the value, or other value is x equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 3. Just take the LCM and simplify. Or x equal to 2. Minus 1 plus 5, that is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, the required roots are 2 and 3, or else we can write 8. In the next class, we will discuss 2 more problems. Today I will stop. Thank you.